Imagine attending a hypnotist show, expecting a relaxing evening, but things take an absurd twist.
Mid-act, the hypnotist gestures towards a volunteer and hilariously forgets the command. Instead of quacking like a duck, the volunteer hilariously believes they are a famous pop star. Laughter erupts as they break into an off-key rendition of a chart-topping hit, dancing wildly around the stage. To make matters funnier, the hypnotist, flustered, trips over a mic cord, sending props flying into the audience. The crowd roars with laughter at this surprising turn of events, proving that sometimes the best jokes are the ones we never see coming.